let's take you to the Middle East. We are making falafels. You can make them home because it's easy, it's gluten-free, it's vegan, and it's full of protein. Hi everyone, I am Shruti and I'm from Singapore, and I'm going to teach you how to make this Middle Eastern snack in a few minutes. For the falafels, you need 1.5 cup of soaked overnight chickpeas. I have not cooked them, they're raw. I have drained out the water. 1.5 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1.5 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, a teaspoon of salt, 5 cloves of garlic, a medium-sized chopped onion, a small bunch of coriander, about half a cup, 2 teaspoons of maida. For a gluten-free option, you can switch to chickpea flour or besan, lemon juice, and half a teaspoon of baking soda. Let's begin making the falafels. For that, I need to be pulsing this in a food processor. You can do this even in a mixer grinder, but you have to be careful not to grind it into a paste. You have to keep pulsing it till you get a coarse mixture. So I'm going to do this in a batch of 2 because my food processor is quite small. So I'll be roughly showing you what I'll be doing now. So to the chickpeas, I'll be adding a bit of the dhania ka patta. I'll be adding the garlic. I didn't mention the green chili before, but this is totally optional. If you want it a bit spicy, you can add the green chili. And I'm adding the coriander stalks too because I don't like to waste them. They have great flavor. And I'm going to be adding the chopped onion as well. Now to this, you can totally add all your spices and the salt here, your lemon juice, baking soda, and your maida. Add a bit of pepper as well. I have finished grinding my chickpeas now. To that mixture, I had added the coriander leaves, garlic, onion, salt, all my spices, and a bit of lemon juice. Now, the mixture has to be a bit coarse. It cannot be finely ground. As you can see, the bits and pieces of everything that I added into this. So now I will be adding the maida and the baking soda in the last. Now, for those of you who don't want to add maida, you can add 2 spoons of besan to this. And lastly, I'm going to be putting fresh pepper into the mixture. I have finished adding all my ingredients to the bowl, and now I have mixed this lastly with maida and the baking soda. And I even added a bit of freshly ground black pepper. Now, this is also optional. Now, out of this mixture, let's make small round falafels. And make sure you're not mixing the mixture a lot or pressing it too hard, because the more you press it, the harder it becomes while you fry it. You need it to be soft from inside and crispy from the outside. So try to light-handedly make a ball out of this. It's okay if it's not perfectly round as well. So yeah, let's make a few. Then I can show you how to fry them. I've made a few falafels out of the mixture that I've made. I have preheated the oil to medium hot. Do not make it very, very hot because it needs to be cooked from inside as well. This will take about 3 to 4 minutes in deep frying oil. You can shallow fry this, you can bake them as well, but fried things taste the best, don't you think? Do not throw these directly into the oil. Put them on a spoon if you're a bit scared of the hot oil, and just gently put them in. I think I can put one more. Yeah, and do not touch them. Let them be for 10 seconds till they hold a shape. And then once you see a little brown color coming, start moving them around a bit. Slowly and very, very steadily. Do not break them. You already can see the lovely brown color coming in, but then be patient. It needs to be cooked from inside. You need to keep moving them in the oil so that they evenly get cooked. It's been about a minute and a half since I've been frying these, and as you can see, the lovely dark brown color on this. Don't worry, the flame is quite low right now because the oil is too hot. You need to balance the flame to about medium low to low because you don't want the falafels to burn. So keep moving them in the oil. They should be a little hard to touch when you press them with the spoon. You know, just hard to touch, like it's quite hard. And it will be very soft inside once you cut them open. Now these ingredients are super easy to find at our Indian kitchens. You have chana, you have pyaz, you have garlic, you have dhania patta, you have all these ingredients. This is going to be damn easy to make. So please try this and do let me know. Now I think it's time to drain these out. They look excellent. So I have fried these for about 2.5 minutes approximately, constantly moving them in oil. You can eat this with some pita bread, or you can make a very simple salad of cucumber, tomatoes and onion. And let me show you how it looks when you open them. So yeah, they look completely cooked, and I'm really tempted to eat one. They're perfect, crispy and super soft. Amazing. The falafels are ready. You can have this as a snack with salad or pita bread, hari chutney or ketchup, anything you like. Make them, do try them at home. They're extremely healthy and very yummy. Follow Tingling Palette for more such recipes on Instagram and Facebook. Thank you.
Subscribe to Midday India. Get direct notifications on all our videos by clicking on the bell icon.